Hey everyone, welcome back to the SkillCareer channel. If you're wondering how to become a front-end developer, what skills you need to learn, and how to start even if you're a complete beginner, this video is just for you. Front-end development is one of the most in-demand tech careers right now. And the best part is, you don't need a computer science degree to get started. Whether you're a student, career changer, or self-learner, you can start learning from scratch and become job-ready in a few months with the right plan. So grab a notebook and let's break it all down step by step. What is front-end development? First things first. What is front-end development? In simple terms, a front-end developer builds everything you see and interact with on a website or app. That includes buttons, layouts, animations, menus, and how the website looks on your phone or computer. You're responsible for making sure the user interface, UI, is not only visually appealing but also functional and responsive. So if you've ever thought, I want to build websites or design apps, this is the job for you. Core skills. You need to become a front-end developer. You need to master a few essential tools and languages. Let's go over them. 1. HTML. Hypertext Markup Language. This is the backbone of every web page. HTML defines the structure, like headings, paragraphs, links, and images. 2. CSS Cascading Style Sheets. CSS controls the styling of your website. Colors, fonts, layout, spacing, animations, and more. You'll use CSS to make your page look attractive and mobile-friendly. 3. JavaScript. JavaScript is what makes websites interactive. It's a real programming language that lets you build features like sliders, pop-ups, forms, and dynamic content. These three, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, are non-negotiable. Every front-end developer must know them well. Advanced tools and frameworks. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can move on to frameworks and libraries that help you work faster and smarter. 4. Version control, Git and GitHub. Git lets you track your code changes, and GitHub helps you collaborate with others. These are industry standards and a must-have skill. 5. Responsive design and media queries. Websites today must work on all screen sizes, from phones to desktops. Learning how to make responsive designs is a crucial front-end skill. CSS frameworks, Tailwind CSS or Bootstrap. Instead of writing every style from scratch, frameworks like Tailwind and Bootstrap give you ready-to-use components and utilities to speed up development. 7. JavaScript libraries, React.js. React is the most popular JavaScript library today, used by top companies like Meta and Netflix. It lets you build fast, interactive UIs with reusable components. Optional but useful skills. Here are some bonus skills that can set you apart. TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript that helps you write safer, cleaner code. APIs in JSON. APIs, they let your front end talk to the back end or databases. NPM and Webpack, tools for managing packages and bundling code efficiently. Basic design sense. Understanding UI UX principles can make your interfaces much better. How to learn now? You might be asking, how do I learn all of this? Here's a simple learning roadmap. Start with HTML and CSS. Build small web pages. Add JavaScript. Create interactive features. Use Git and GitHub. Manage your code projects. Learn responsive design. Make it work on all devices. Try a CSS framework like Tailwind or Bootstrap. Dive into JavaScript frameworks, especially React. Build real projects. The more, the better. There are plenty of free and paid resources. Free Code Camp, MDN, WebDocs, YouTube tutorials, Frontend Mentor Coursera, Udemy courses. Build your portfolio. To get hired, you need a portfolio that shows what you can do. Here are 5 simple project ideas. A personal portfolio website, a to-do list app, a responsive landing page, a blog layout, a weather app using an API. Make sure your portfolio is clean, responsive, and deployed online using GitHub Pages or Netlify. Include code on GitHub, write a README file, and showcase your thought process. Jobs and freelance work. Once you have 3 to 5 solid projects, you're ready to apply for jobs or freelance gigs. Entry-level job titles include Front-End Developer, Junior Web Developer, React Developer, UI Developer. You can also start freelancing on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com. Even small gigs like building landing pages, fixing bugs, or converting designs to code can help you earn and grow. Final tips. To wrap up, here is how you can succeed as a front-end developer. Practice daily. Consistency is key. Build projects. Real-world work teaches the most. Join communities. Get feedback and support. Stay updated. Front-end tech evolves quickly. Be patient. It's a journey, not a race. Front-end development is creative, flexible, and full of opportunities. If you enjoy solving problems, building things, and creating beautiful user experiences, this career is for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, comment below if you have questions, and subscribe for more web development tips. See you in the next video.